Okay guys, we work on the first pickup of the day. It is from this French restaurant. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Tony. Hey guys, we're working on the next pickup, and this is from Uber Eats. I'm doing like a triple dip. Uber Eats, Grubhub. Yeah, for Rich B. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay guys, so we got it. Now it's time to pack it and get on the way. Doing this and
head to your drop-off at 73120 Santa Rosa Way. Head to your drop-off at 73120 Santa Rosa Way.
okay guys, that's done, and now I need to pick up the last order from Grubhub, which is from inside the mall. This last pickup is from Charlie's Cheesesteak, and that is inside the mall. So I do not like normally to pick up inside the mall because it takes too long, but it has been slow today, so what am I going to do? So let's go inside. Hopefully have it ready. Walk all the way here to just to be able to get to the food courthouse. I mean to the food court and start right there. And then we need to go to Charlie's Cheesesteak. It's just a sandwich. So hopefully we have it ready. We got it. Now it's time to start delivering those two orders. In the next drop-off or the last drop-off of this triple order. Okay, that's done. Okay, on the next pickup, and I took one Uber Eats for $1.50. I'm going to do it because I want to know if it's $1.50 or if it's actually some kind of hidden tips. So okay guys, we got it. Let's get on the way. We're here, picking the next one. Thank you. We got it. Let's buy. Yep. Looking for the store. I see Tiffany Pata, got Tiffany. Okay guys, so let's get this going. On the next pickup of the day, and this is from the French place from Grubhub. When I took the offer, was almost $12 for 3 miles and something, so very decent. Hopefully they have it ready. Now let's get on the way. We're doing this next drop off. 7:50. Hey, how are you? Working on the first pickup of dinner shift, and this is for California Pizza Kitchen for $20 something for 5 miles. It is a stack order, so it might have some hidden tips. I don't think so. But anyway, so hopefully they have them ready.
Head to your pickup at California Pizza Kitchen, 7380 El Paso, Suite 8.
So we got it. Now it is time to get on the way.
Make a U-turn.
We are looking for the next apartment.
U-turn, then turn left.
Right here. Okay guys, so we're doing the next drop off for the California Pizza Kitchen order. Next pickup of the dinner shift, it is from Buffalo Wings for 5 items, $12 what the payout going 3 miles. So the offer is not bad. It's not the best offer ever, but whatever.
Sorry.
We got it. Now let's get on the way. Order from Panera for Grubhub. Hey, how are you? I got a pickup for Vicky. I think it's that one, but I don't know if it's ready.
Is this all ready then?
Oh, yeah, that's all this is. Sorry, I
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. On the Buffalo Wing drop off. Hey, how are you? And let me check what's the address. This one right here. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. We're here at California Pizza Kitchen. Got an offer for the customer. She wants to add 3 brownies, but the only way that I think we can do it is if I pay for the brownies, and they refund me when I get there. I ended up buying the brownies, so it's gonna take an extra 5 minutes. So I'm going to test it. I know these customers, you know, they're pretty well off, so sure I'm gonna have no issue. This thing is already melted. Hey, California Pizza Kitchen. So I'm going to back this up while they're giving me the brownies. It's gonna take 5 minutes, and then after that I'm going to deliver to the customer. Okay guys, so we're doing this. Hi, how are you? Okay guys, we're working on the next order of dinner shift, and this is from Uber Eats, double stack for $22 for 7 miles. So let's see if they have it ready.
Make a left turn.
We got it. Hey guys, so we're working on the next pickup of the night. This is from Grubhub, from Red Lobster. Well, it's called Donato's Pizza, but you know, it is just revealed from name. Just one item. One thing is that one over there. Next drop off is for this building right here. And the room number is 239. Hi, I got a delivery for the room 239.
For what?
239.
The elevator's gonna be down the hallway too.
Thank you. Okay guys, so let's get this done. Okay guys, so we're here. Room 239. Okay guys, that's done.